Active model of learning. In previous topic, we talked about the learning from the media, and in that topic we discussed that when we talk about the learning from the media, there are two approaches: active approach and passive approach. And here we are going to discuss active approach of learning through media. Active approach of learning through media consider learning to be an active, constructive process whereby the learner strategically manages the available cognitive resources to create new knowledge by extracting information from the environment and integrating it with the information already stored in memory. Here are 4 points that we need to understand when we are talking about the active model of learning. The first one is that the learning is an active and constructive process. And the second one is that the learner strategically manages the available cognitive resources to create new knowledge by extracting information from the environment. So the third thing is that when the learner manages his cognitive resources, he manages his cognitive resources to learn from the environment. They extract information from the environment, and at the fourth point, he integrates that information with the already available stored information in the memory, and this way the whole process of learning occurred. There are three approaches when we talk about the active model of learning. The first one is the structure approach. This approach sees learning as the movement of information through mental structures. The process approach describes learning as an active process, and the schematic approach is based on the cognitive model and sees learning as a result of schematic processing. And we are going to discuss these three approaches in coming topics in a detailed manner.